Okay, so good afternoon kids. So today Miss Sarah is going to continue the explanation of the lesson 2, textbook page 150 about finding unknown angles of quadrilaterals. Okay, so before we dig in further into the middle of the lesson, I'm going to explain about before you learn section here. Okay, now PQRS is a rhombus. Okay, so like I've said before, the difference between rhombus and parallelograms, when rhombus, all sides are equal. Okay, all sides are equal. When parallelograms, only the sides that is facing each other are equal. Okay, when this one and this one are equal, that will be different with this one and this one. Okay, but that is in parallelogram. Okay, now we're going to learn about rhombus. So QRS is 108 degrees. It means as PQ, the angles that face as RQ or QRS is also 108 degrees. This one. Okay, so now we are going to find PSQ. How to find PSQ? This one, okay? PSQ. We need to know how much is P as SR first, okay? Because PSR and QRS is in the same line. Okay, it means they are add up to 180 degrees. Okay, because PSR and Q are as in the same line, in the one line, it means they are add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so how to find PSR is 180 minus 108 degrees. Okay, equals to 72 degrees. So this one is 72, so is this one 72 degrees. Okay, now how to find PSQ? To find PSQ, remember this. This is a rhombus, which means all sides are equal. When you have this one, all sides are equal, and then you drag a line from this corner to this corner. Okay, just say you divide it correctly. Okay, from this one to this one, it means you divide the shape into two, exactly into two, because all sides are equal. Okay, so it means when it goes with a rhombus, it's also the same. If you drag a line from S to Q, it means you divide the shape exactly into two equal parts. Okay, so it means you also divide the angles into two. So because PSR is 72 degrees, so it means PSQ is 72 divided by 2 equals to 36 degrees. Okay, so that is the answer for PSQ equals to 36 degrees. Okay kids, so because now GEH, we want to know this GEH. It means GEH is a part of a triangle, this triangle, isn't it? Okay, this triangle. It means if we want to know this one, we need to know this one. Okay, remember that triangle add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so it means after you find this one, after you find that one, you will minus it. You will minus 180 with this one and this one. Okay, so now our mission is to find EGH. How to find EGH? Remember, FGH and EHG is in the same line. It means they are add up to 180 degrees. It means how to find FGH is 180 degrees minus 46. Okay, so you got all of that from here to here, add up to 134 degrees. Okay, how to find EGH? EGH only, EGH, this one. Of course, 134 minus 28 equals to 106. So, this one add up equals to 106 degrees. Okay, now to find GEH is 180 minus 106 minus 46 equals to 28 degrees. Okay, so GEH equals to 28 degrees. Okay, so that is for that. This is ABCD is a parallelogram. Remember, this is parallelogram. ABC equals to 45. Okay, this is 45, so it means this is also 45. Okay, AEC equals to 124. Okay, now we want to find DCE. 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 This one. Okay, now how to find this one? Remember, this is a triangle. This is a triangle. Okay, we already know this 45. We already know this one 124. Okay, now how to find this one? This one, so you will get this one. Get it? So now how to find this one is 180 minus 124 degrees equals to 56 degrees, this one. Okay, so this is 56, this is 45. So how about this one? That one, of course, 180 minus 56 minus 45 equals to 79 degrees. Okay, that is for number try 1. Okay, now so now Miss Sarah is going to continue explaining. This is workbook page 142. Okay, workbook page 142. So ABCD is a rhombus. ADC 54, CBX 18 degrees, find BXA. Before that, we need to identify each amount of each angles, okay? Because this is 54, so this is also 54. Okay, this is 54. Then how about this one and this one? Of course, to find that one, this one, for example, I'm going to draw it. This is BAD, okay? BAD. Of course, because BAD and ADC is in a one line, of course they are add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so it means BAD equals to 180 degrees minus 54. Okay, so it equals to 126 degrees. So this is 126, this also 126. Okay, now Miss, this is divided into 2, right, Miss? Yes, like we have learned before, if rhombus divided into 2, it means they are equally parted into 2. Okay, so it means this is 120. How about BAC now? This is BAC because this is BAD, right? This is 126. So it means a half of 126, or BAC, is equals to 126 divided into 2 equals to 63 degrees. Okay, now because we already know this is 63 and this BAX is a triangle, so we need to know this part. Okay, ABX of course equals to 54 degrees minus 18 degrees equals to 36. Okay, so this one is 63 when this one is 36. Then how about BXA? Of course BXA is 180 degrees minus 63 minus 36. Okay, because they are triangle. Okay, they form a triangle, so it means BXA equals to 81 degrees. Okay, so that's all for lesson 2. If you need to know further information, further explanation, please reach me through Google Classroom. Okay, kids, so that's all for today. Thank you and God bless you, everyone.